ARM classes for senior secondary schools, covering SS1 to SS3. Today, we will walk you through the user interface of SS1. So let's get started. When you visit our website, just locate the apps, then click on Get Started, then you select your class or term. We have first term, second term, and third terms, or third term rather for SS1. So let's start with third term SS1. Now, when you visit the user interface for SS1 third term, you select a subject. For example, let's select commerce. After selecting a subject, the next drop down for term will be activated. So you select a term, for example, first term. After selecting the term, then you now have the next drop down activated, which is the scope. Under scope, you have three options: scheme of work, lesson note, quiz, and evaluation. So let's preview the scheme of work for commerce for first term. These are the topics available, spanning from week 1 to week 12. So after the preview, you can go for your lesson. So let's go and select lesson note option. So the topics will still be displayed, but here you have the option of clicking learn more to view the details of each of the topic. Now let's click for week 1, which is mini scope and functions of commerce. When you click learn more button, then the viewport will be displayed under. So you can now scroll up and down to reveal the content of that topic. So you can see that we have a for lesson 1, you have instructional objectives stated. Then you now go to the details of the top of the content, definition of commerce, importance or functions of commerce, stages in the history and development of commerce. You also have lesson 2 and the subtopic listed under it. That is how you go about using our app to study and prepare ahead of the teacher. Now, let me take your attention to something that may interest you. You can actually use a text to speech on our app. How do I mean? Let's click this speak.
Topic detail. Meaning, scope and functions of commerce. eNote content. Lesson 1. Instructional objectives. Define commerce. List 5. Functions of commerce. Highlight 5 stages in the history and development of commerce. Definition of commerce. Commerce is the study of production, distribution, and exchange of goods and services aimed at satisfying human wants and in order to earn a living. The importance, functions, of commerce. It provides employment opportunities for the people. It makes production and exchange of goods and services possible. It improves the standard of living of people by making modern goods available. It aids national and international cooperation by ensuring interdependence of nations. It facilitates division of labor and specialization. It brings technological innovation and aids infrastructural development. Stages in the history.
So that is it for the text to voice. In case you don't want to strain your eyes, so you can use a text to voice. So let's move quickly to other subjects in second term. For example, agricultural science. So in this case, you choose a second term instead of first term. Then you preview the scheme of work, which is already preloaded for you ahead of the term. So that is it for SS1 E classes. So when you are done, you can go back to your profile. It's still loading. Go back to your profile. So you can contact us after registration, or you send us a WhatsApp or email for you to get started. So any other inquiry, feel free to contact us on this contact details. Thank you.